Welcome back to my channel Biology Notes. Dear students, today I will discuss one of the major forms of pollution, that is noise pollution. So let's start. Let's see the contents of the video. I will give you a brief concept on sound wave, sound and noise, definition of noise pollution, different sources of noise pollution, effects of noise pollution, and how to control the noise pollution. What is sound wave? It is a pressure caused by the vibration of something in a medium that transfer energy, like air. What is sound? It is a term to describe what is heard when sound waves pass through a medium to the ear. All sounds are made by vibration of molecules through which the sound travels. Then what is noise? It is unwanted sound considered unpleasant, loud, or disruptive to hearing. Amplitude of the sound is measured in decibel unit and frequency of sound is measured in hertz unit. In this table, I have tabulated different noise levels in decibel unit. It is considered that above 85 decibel are harmful to us. So students, take some time and see the table properly. Here I have mentioned two basic definitions of noise pollution. Number A. It can be defined as regular exposure to elevated sound levels that may lead to adverse effects in humans or other living organisms. Number B. Sound without value or any noise that is undesired by recipient is called noise pollution. The devices that used to measure noise pollution or noise levels are sound pressure level meter, decibel meter, or noise meter. There are so many sources of noise pollution. Few of them are mentioned here. Street traffic sounds from cars, buses, pedestrians, ambulances, etc. Construction sounds like drilling or other heavy machinery in operation. Airports with constant elevated sounds from air traffic, that is planes taking off or landing. Constant loud music in or near commercial venues. Industrial sounds like fans, generators, mills, compressor. Train stations traffic. Household sounds from television, music players, fans, vacuum cleaner, washing machine, etc. Events involving fireworks, firecrackers, loudspeakers, mining explosions, bomb explosions, gun firing during war, etc. Now I will discuss what are the main impacts of noise pollution. Number A. Impacts on human health. Noise pollution can create hypertension, hearing loss, sleep disturbances, hearing impairment and psychological dysfunctions during child development, defects in central nervous system, high blood pressure, heart disease, cardiovascular diseases, etc. Number B. Impacts on wildlife and marine life. Thousands of oil drills, sonars, seismic survey devices, shipping vessels cause serious noise problems for marine life. Whales are badly affected as they use echolocation mechanism for feeding and communication among them. Noise pollution interferes with cetaceans' feeding habits, reproductive patterns, migration routes, etc. Birds are also affected by noise from traffic, firecrackers, etc. Let's see what are the control measures to mitigate noise pollution. Manipulation of the source so as to reduce the noise at its origin. Legislation and public awareness are essential. Nobody should be permitted to create noise in silent zones or during night. Noise producing traffic vehicles should be prevented from playing on the roads. Standards for noise control measures should be set up for industry and community. Horticulturists should suggest adequate varieties of vegetation which can be planted around factories, hospitals, educational institutions, public libraries, houses, which may reduce sound pollution and also minimize dust pollution. You can also take some personal safety to avoid the bad impacts of noise pollution, like wear earplugs whenever exposed to elevated noise levels, Avoid prolonged use of earphones, especially at elevated sound levels. Maintain a level of around 35 decibel in your bedroom at night and around 40 decibel in your house during the day. If possible, choose your residential area as far removed from heavy traffic as you can. So students, this is all about noise pollution. I hope the video will really help you to gain some knowledge. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new video. Thank you.